Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 6/28/2021. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2021 Panini Prizm H2 football break number 2 half case. Guys, the base cards were sold separate. All silver and other color that are not 50 or below, colored Prizm variants will be sleeved. Here are the ones that were 50 or below. Sean Wade is the Ravens, so that is the 50. Kadarius Toney is the Giants, that's the 50. Myles Garrett, Cleveland is 20, pink. Herbert, 20, pink. Cooper Kupp, 50, Rams. And Adam Thielen, the Vikings, that's a 20, pink. Okay, then our autos. Here we go. Minnesota, first one. Ronald Jones II, red. It was our only parallel auto, and that's to 25. Then we have Christian Darrisaw, Minnesota also. Kansas City, Shane Buechele. Washington getting a Dax Milne. The Saints getting a Kawan Baker. Chargers with a nice Asante Samuel Jr. The Jets with Hamilcar Rashed Jr. Brendan Knox going to the Cowboys. Arizona getting a Marco Wilson. And last but not least, Michael Strachan for the Colts. All right, guys, that will do it. We have more football. 21, it's Leaf Ultimate and Metal, red, white, and blue. We've got some 2020 hybrid on there. 35% off using SBB 35 off.